So I opened a box for the first time in like 7 years or some shit on Counter-Strike 2, and I unlocked factory new butterfly knife, like the best drop you can get. And how much it's worth, I don't know, but the field tested quality versions of it, not factory new, are worth 2,000 to 2,300. You know what I mean? So it's like I don't even know. You want to buy it? I know y'all are gonna say, "Nah, he didn't get that. He's just inspecting it." Okay, 1 second.